clean the hardware. The following devices that I'll be cleaning should be cleaned monthly. So before we start, I'll show you first the state of my laptop, which I'll be cleaning later. Here we can see that my keyboard is full of dust, as well as my keyboard and monitor. The first thing on my list is my mouse. Here are the tools that we need to gather before cleaning our mouse. Next, these are the safety precautions that we need to remember. Before I start cleaning my mouse, I remove the cord from my laptop. Then I clean it with microfiber and cleaning solution. As you can see, I am wiping it gently and I am making sure that every part of it is clean. There are parts where I use cotton because the cloth can clean it. Lastly, I wipe gently the cord. So here we can see that my mouse is cleaner than before. Second, my keyboard. Again, these are the tools and safety precautions that we need to take note of. First, I use the microfiber cloth with the cleaning solution and gently wipe the surface of my keyboard. After that, I used my brush to wipe off the dust. Then, I make sure that every part of my keyboard is cleaned. Then, we are now done. Is the monitor. Here are the tools that we need. Also, the following are the safety precautions that we need to remember. So in cleaning the monitor, we just need to wipe it with a microfiber cloth with a cleaning solution. As you can see, I wiped it carefully from left to right. Then when I am done wiping it, I just wait for it to dry. Then we are now done. looking for updates, first search for settings. Then, click Update and Security. After that, click again the Check for Updates. Next, we have to patiently wait for it to load, then we are done checking the updates for our system. When scanning virus, we have to search the settings, and after that, we can search here the virus and threat protection and click it again. As we can see here, my computer has Avast antivirus, so I do not have current threats for now. Lastly, for uninstalling apps, first search for this PC, then click it. After that, look for uninstall or change a program at the upper part of the tab. After clicking it, we can see here our apps. Look for the specific app that you want to delete, and after that, click that app and click uninstall. And wait for the uninstalling procedure to be done. Then you can view it again if that app is already uninstalled. Then we are now done.